Ow! Annyeonghaseyo everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Jean and this is the Jean's Review. Today, I'm trying out products, but this video is for these lashes from Shein. This is Ursin Princess and Beauty eyelashes. So this one, guys, I bought this for 3,491. That is 120 in peso. Open ko lang siya. Ayan. This is a self-adhesive eyelash. It's my first time to try self-adhesive kasi most of the time I'm using a luster glue. Yung pang 1 week ganyan, yung tinatagal. By the way, guys, I'm reviewing also the She Glam Hydrating Foundation and the Dazzle Me Duo. Kaya ganyan ang aking face. And I will do a separate video for those products. Etong design na to, guys, this is called Fox Eyelashes. Ayan, mahaba siya dito sa dulo, tapos paikli siya ng paikli. So, this one is 8 mm, this one is 10, and this is 12. Ayan. Actually, yung 12 mahaba na sa mata ko yan. Pero, ito lang kasi yung maikli yung lash kahit papano. Ito yung binibili kong lashes kasi maliit yung mata ko. Maliit siya and maikli. So, this one makes my eyes looks a little bit longer. Tapos, maikli lang din siya and as you can see, hindi full glam yung kanyang design. Kasi pag full, guys, nawawala lalo yung mata ko. So, ganito yung binibili ko talaga, yung crisscross, ganyan na design, yung konting, may konting haba, may konting maikli, ganon, hindi siya pantay-pantay. So, this one is 10 pairs. Ayan. We're gonna try it now. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng, what do you call this? Mag-curler. Okay. Sana effective siya, no? Kasi, ito yung uso ngayon, yung although meron nang lumabas noon na adhesive free, pero kasi before hindi talaga effective, so I wish this is effective kasi nga naman it's better, diba, kung effective to, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng separate glue. They claim that it's usable and it's long lasting, so let's try it now. I'm gonna try it first on this side. By the way, I have a very short and thin lashes. Ouch. Maano yung ano ko, yung mata ko dry. Ayan. Oh. So, after you put this, you have to lock it in. Ganyan. Oh, in fairness, dumikit siya, ha? At mukha siya madikit. Ang bilis lang yung tanggalin dito sa lalagyan, which is good. Yung ibang lasters ko, hindi nga matanggal sila na maayos sa lalagyan. Hirap-hirap tanggalin. Tapos nasisira pa yung lashes. But this one, ang bilis lang yung tanggalin. Natusok ko yung mata ko, guys. Tapos tumalsik yung eyelash. Yun lang. Nasaan na yung eyelash? Wait lang, hanapin ko muna. Eto na si eyelash. Nandun lang siya sa ano ko, hips, sa legs ko. Mahirap maglagay pag sa ano, sa camera kasi ako nakaharap eh. Ayan. Ayan, wet na yung eyes ko kasi natusok ng Chani. Oh, in fairness, madikit siya, ha? Pero I doubt na pag ginanito mo sobrang-sobra, hindi matatanggal. For sure, matatanggal yan. Ano nangyari? Nahuhulog siya. Oh my God. No. Okay. Dito sa side pala na 'to, wala siyang glue, dito lang. So, tama yung lagay ko. 'Pag ganito talaga siya. Dito talaga yung dikit niya. Natutusok ko yung mata ko kasi naman hindi nga ako sanay na sa camera ako nakatingin. Ayan. Ang mahirap lang sa mata ko kasi sobrang liit ng mata ko. Mahirap lagyan. Tapos, ang nipis-nipis pa ng eyelash ko, kaya mahirap talagang lagyan ng lashes. Maikli na nga, manipis pa. Sangka pa, di ba? Pinagpala. Yan. Ganda. Can you see? Ang ganda ng ano, di ba? Ganyan yung bagay sa mata ko, yung pahaba siya sa dulo. Cute. Ganda. Mukha lang siya natural. So, lalagay ko muna yung dito sa kabila. And here's the result, guys. Ganda. Ang ganda niya, ano? Kaya lang, oh my God, ayan, nararamdaman ko na siya. Oh my God. Natutusok ko yung eyes ko kasi nahuhulog siya. Lightweight siya, guys. Wala akong maramdaman halos na meron sa mata ko. Pero, hindi strong yung glue. Nahuhulog siya agad. Ayan. Ayan, oh. See? Nahulog siya agad. Tatanggalin ko na to, guys, ha, kasi baka ma-irritate yung eyes ko. Nahulog siya. Wala na. I'm gonna read you guys yung kanyang, tignan mo naman yung photo niya. Photo niya, parang, ayan, kita nyo. Kita nyo. May paghila pa, no? Parang super dikit ng glue niya. Pero wala. Ito, meron pa sa kamay ko. Wala. Walang long lasting. It said here, it's long lasting, it's waterproof, it's easy to wear. It's easy to wear, yes, but waterproof? Maybe. But long lasting? Definitely. No. Gentle formula adhesive, I hope so. No glue needed, no remover needed, yeah. Oh my God, magpa-final verdict pa ba tayo? Okay. Magpa-final verdict tayo now na ora mismo kasi kita nyo naman, hindi siya long lasting, guys. Tanggal agad siya. Pero in fairness, ang ganda niya, ha? Ang ganda niya. So, let's start with the packaging. Magbibigay na ako ng final verdict now. Let's start with the packaging. The packaging is really great. It's a common packaging. Okay siya. Actually, yung ganitong packaging, minsan nilalagyan ko ng mga makeup canister, yung ganyan. Yung like like eyeshadows, ganyan. Tapos other things also. Magagamit ko pa to. And it looks sturdy. The eyelash is very pretty. It looks good on me. It looks natural. Ganda-ganda niya. But it feels stiff. Hindi siya very soft. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ba? Very plastic yung kanyang quality. Pero, it looks very nice and it actually feels very nice. It's lightweight. Hindi siya mabigat sa mata, which is good. And it looks natural naman, although it doesn't feel natural. It's a very plastic feeling. Plasticity. I don't know. I don't know the term. So, ayan. The glue. Well, alam nyo na. Hindi siya long lasting. Natay na natin. Pero, definitely, I can still use this because I have a cluster glue. So, I can still use this. And, I will actually use this kasi maganda naman talaga siya. And, hindi talaga siya nag-shred nung kinuha ko siya. Madali siyang i-pick up. hindi siya nag-shred nung pinikap ko siya, which is good. Yun lang talaga, kung gagamitin mo yung glue niya, yung built-in glue niya, hindi siya magtatagal guys sa mata mo. It's either you use a cluster glue or the regular eyelash glue. Yun. Much better. Mas secure pag yun ang ginamit mo. Pero yung glue nito, no. Well, anyway, it's only 120 pesos, so we cannot expect that much. It's still okay for 120 pesos. But actually, pag sa Pilipinas mo siya binili, pag umorder ka from Philippines, I think it's more mura. Kasi sa Korea, it's a little bit mahal. Mahal? Slang yan. It's a little bit mahal here in Korea. Based on my experience, compare sa pag binili mo siya from Philippines. So, I think, ayun, siguro around 100 or maybe 90. Yan. Ayun, guys. So, ayun, guys. Do I need to rate this? Because you already know. Before I rate this, I wanna try something else, okay? Ito kasi tumikit naman siya. Yung ibang lash, yung ibang lash hindi dumikit. So, maybe there are lashes na madikit, there are lashes na hindi madikit. So, I wanna try this. Ayan. Hindi siya natatanggal. At kahit ilahi-lahin ko siya, ayan, hindi siya natatanggal. Madikit pa rin siya. So, yeah. Pero definitely, hindi siya long-lasting kasi I will show you. Ayan, oh. Hindi na sila halos pantay. Nag-move na siya. Yan. Hindi siya super madikit. See? So, maybe after few hours, lalo na kung, for example, you go out, mahangin, matatanggal talaga siya. And I think, kung tumagal man to siya sa lash mo, siguro, pag pinagpawisan ka, matatanggal talaga siya. Yan, no? I wanna try this out because I'm gonna use this with my own glue. Ang kinaganda naman nito, yung glue niya, nandito siya. So, pag nilagyan ko siya ng glue, okay lang. Kumbaga, pag nilagay ko siya dito, wala siyang didikit sa part na to. Dito lang talaga. So, I wanna see kung matatanggal ko yung glue niya. Ayan. Dahil, gagamitan ko siya ng cluster glue. Masira siya. Definitely matatanggal pero hindi 100%. Makapit siya in a way na nandun siya sa product pero hindi siya makapit pag in-apply mo siya sa eyelash mo. Yun lang, di ba? So, what's my final verdict? This is a pretty eyelash. It looks pretty. Pero, yung quality niya sa glue and dun sa feeling nung kanyang mismong hair, palpak siya. So, yeah. I'm gonna rate this out of 10. This is 6. 6 kasi it looks pretty. Yun lang. Kaya siya 6. It looks pretty. And the packaging is, well, maganda naman yung packaging niya. So, hindi siya yung malambot na plastic. So, yeah, 6 is okay. Dahil maganda lang yung itsura niya. And the plastic is durable. I can say it's durable. So, yun guys, what do you think of this lashes? Are you gonna purchase it or not? It's up to you if you wanna try it. I can still use this. I can still use my eyelash glue. Kaya, yeah. Pero if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna repurchase it again. No, I'm not gonna repurchase this again because meron akong eyelash na same design but better quality. Hindi siya stiff. Hindi siya very plastic yung feeling. Kasi this one is very plastic. Though I really really like how it looks on my eyes. And how it looks on person. It's really pretty. But it's plastic. Ang mahirap kasi guys, pag plastic na plastic yung quality ng eyelash, tapos kunyari natanggal sa mata mo, nakakatusok talaga ng mata. So, most probably, it will irritate your eyes. Kaya, much better na bumili ka ng medyo mahal. It's okay. Like, 200 pesos. It's okay as long as it's softer and it feels like a natural hair. Yun lang. I will still use this but I will not repurchase. So ayun guys, I hope you like my review for today's video. Please comment down below kung ano yung mga products na gusto nyong itry ko before nyo bilhin. I will definitely buy it and review it for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you see this on YouTube, or follow me on Facebook if you see this in Facebook. And don't forget to click the bell button on the YouTube channel if you're seeing this on YouTube. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!